Sometimes you may encounter a situation where you need to change the material in the elements, but it is blocked for some reasons. Let's create a search query for all 10 mm thick plates. Look at the general properties. Materials are locked. Most often, this is due to slave joints existing in the model. The material in the slave joint elements is blocked. And if you have at least one element of slave joint in your selection, Advanced Steel will forbid you to change material settings. Titan plugin for Advanced Steel has a specific tool to solve this unfortunate issue. Just select any elements in the model and use Set Material command. In the drop-down list you will find all preferred materials. Change it. Let's check it in the model browser. Materials for all plates are now changed. Titan plugin has similar command for the material of bolt connections. Create new query. Great for bolts are locked too. Run set bolts material command. Now we can change materials of the elements externally without any problems. You can leave a request for the purchase of Titan for Advanced Steel and find information about other features of the plugin on our website page. The link is in the description box below.